Hang on, Teddy. Oh, I see. Oh, look, Teddy.
Beanie, you made it!
Yes. Oh, can't we just... I just wanted to...
Look, Beanie.
Oh, a donkey. Right.
Oh. Oh.
Oh. Ooh. Look at that, Teddy. Yeah. Come on. Can I have another go, please? Come on. Oh. There we go. Shush, Teddy. Excuse me? Yes?
Look, we're here to raise money for the donkey sanctuary.
But no, I want to spend it on...
For the donkeys!
Right.
Come on! Now you collect some.
All right. I'll see what I can do.
Oh, hello.
Hello, Declan.
I've only just started.
Oh, you're doing really well.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, very impressive.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Ooh.
Well, I've only just started.
Come on, Beanie. You can do all these events with Declan.
What?
Come on.
Yes, all right. You wait there, Teddy. Oh. Ready? Oh, great. How's it going?
Bean.
Wow. Oh. These are mine. Right, what's this? Hello?
Bean.
What's wrong? Well, he started it.
Bean.
Oh.
Oh. Okay. Thank you.
What? Oh. Ah. Excuse me. Could I have a go, please? Thank you. Right. Oh, sorry. Honestly. Right.
Right, you two. Go and collect those sponsors.
Excuse me, sponsored Skydive? Help the donkeys?
Hello.
Go get those sponsors.
Hello, sponsored Skydive? Oh, thank you. Sign here.
I wonder.
Thank you. Very nice of you. Thank you. Oh,
Good.
Ooh.
Ha-ha.
Ooh.
what?
Off we go then. All aboard.
Oh, you're next.
Oh! I don't think I'll pull it. Oh, Teddy! Come here, come here, come here!
Beanie.
Hooray!
Oh, look, Teddy! Oh, what? Oh, where is that thing? Oh, what? Oh, thank goodness.
Oh!
I'm alive. Thank you. Oh, congratulations. Right.
Well done, Declan. Oh. Oh. £200.25.
Let me see. 1, 2, 3. What?
Come on!
Come on!
Right. All right. Fine.
Thank you.
We did it!
Your go, Teddy. Okay. Let me see. Checkmate. Bad luck, Teddy. Best of 61? Oh, who's that? Oh, hello.
Hello, Beanie.
Oh, hello. Oh!
Oh, Mopsy likes you.
Get off! Get off! Tell it to stop! Tell it to stop!
Watch her for me.
What? No way! What?
She's no trouble. I'll only be an hour. She likes this. See you in a bit.
What? Come back! Come back! Come back! Hello. Oh. Oh. All right, let me pick you up. There we are. Oh. Okay. Good. Off we go. Why don't we have a sit down? Oh, very nice.
Hot dogs! Get your hot dogs, sir!
Time for a spot of lunch, I think. Oh, lovely. Huh? No chance. But it's mine. What about a stick? Look at this. Look what I've got. And fetch. No, you're supposed to... Look, you ready? And fetch. Woof, woof.
Catch up.
There you go. What? But that was mine. Oh.
All right. All right. All right. All right, Butch. Steady. Steady.
It's hard enough with one.
Holding up mine. I just get paid to walk 'em.
You get paid? Oh. Home, Mopsy. I've got an idea. Oh, calm down, calm down.
Hot dogs. Get your hot dogs. Hot dogs. Get your hot dogs.
There. Stick. Ta-da! Right. Oh, very nice arrangement. What a wheeze. Oh, very good. Hello. There we are. Right. Let's get this off.
Beanie!
What? She's already had lunch. Honestly. Time to make some money, Teddy. There we go. Mr. Bean, dog walker. Perfect. I know, Teddy. Very smart. There we go. No, it's for dogs, not cats. Oh! Ow! Morning! Hello? Thank you. Morning. Oh, lovely little pooch. Oh, morning. Thank you. Good dog, good dog, good dog, good dog. Please, please, come here.
That lot! Out! Now!
Goodness, sorry. Where have they gone? Come here. Oh no, come back. Come here. Oh no, come back. Come here. Now, come here. I just got this on you. There we go. Here. Phew. There we go. Right. This way. Come back. Slow down. Slow down. Here, why don't we sit down? Oh, very good idea. Right, are you ready? Fitch! Oh. You all got it. I've got an idea. Stay. There's a good one. Very nice. Right. Now, okay, are you ready? And fetch! And fetch! Very good. And again. Are you ready? Fetch! And fetch! Whew. I wonder... Right. There we go. There. Right. Are you ready? Fetch! Oh dear. Sorry.
No out of control dogs.
Oh.
Or it's a 50 quid fine.
Oh dear. Oh, there we go. Good dogs. It's all right. Slow down a little bit. Good dog. Why don't we ever sit down? Oh! Okay, no, actually, why don't we keep going? Oh. No, leave it alone.
Catch up.
Me up, dogs!
Sorry. Stop. Watch out!
I warned you. 50 quid fine. Now.
What? Here you go.
Thank you.
Dogs, come on. Come here. Lunch at last. Here we are. Very good, everybody. I'll just pop that there. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Finally. What did... No, now drop it. Oh, no, not all of you. No.
Oh,
Sorry.
yeah. What the? There you go, son.
Can I have a go?
Where's your board?
Well, I haven't got one. Ah, I've got an idea.
Come on, son.
There you go. Oh, that could be useful. You're coming with me. Not bad. Oh, excuse me. Deborah!
Have it. We're off to the skate park.
I can do this. Oh! 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 Oh, no! Thank you. Bye. What the?
Oh!
Cool. Nice scooter.
Oh, yes. Oh, I can't get up.
Oh. I've got an idea. There we go. Come on.
Right.
Oh.
Right. Need to charge it up.
Oh, that's quite a machine you've got there. Can I,
Hands off, Bean. 5 hours of wrestling.
That's 5 hours of non-stop wrestling action. So, for all you wrestling fans, let's get ready to rumble, because we have a mighty grappling Leviathan.
Look at him! Hit him down! Knock his block off!
See that? He didn't see that.
Yeah!
Oh, that's gotta hurt. I don't think he's gonna get up from that one, Clive.
let's give this a go. Teddy, you come here, you'll get a better view. Right.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, no. Oh, I've got an idea. Ha! Ooh. Okay. There we are. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. Pretty good. All right, time to go to the park, Teddy.
Good. That away.
Oh, yeah! Woo!
Excuse me. Thank you. Whee! Ah. Here we are. Hello, everybody. Sorry I'm late.
Ah, nice wheels!
Right.
Keep up, Grandad!
After you.
Whee!
Okay, Teddy, hang on tight. This is going to be quite a ride.
Hey?
Oh, my goodness.
Right. Whoa!
No problem.
Easy! Let's see you do the jump of doom! Dangerous!
Bring it on. Right. No problem. Oh, just got to get in the zone. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Hmm? Okay, Teddy. Here we go again. Hey. Oh, no. What? What did it...
Here. Whoa, whoa.
Dad!
Hospital.
Well, I would take you there myself if you hadn't done your dirty work. Oh, but wait a minute. Ah, there we go. All right. Hang on tight. Ow. Oh. It's this way. Hang on. Emergency, make way, please.
No. Nina.
I have a patient for you.
My, what do we have here? Thanks.
Oh, think nothing of it.
2, 3, out!
Well, it's been a slow burn.
I said no touching me!
But I've got...
Out! See you then. Should be all charged up now.
Oh, dear.
Come back here. Oi, me! I'm talking to you.
Ah, lovely. Teddy? Ah, very nice. What on earth? Excuse me, I'm trying to read my book. Can you please stop that?
Yep, I finished hammering, mate.
Right, good. Well, thank you.
Did you hear us? Go into the most terrible...
Ah, this is better. Cheers.
No!
Could I have a go?
Oi, get out of it! Get your own trampoline!
Oh!
Oh, honestly. Go away, go away.
Oh, very nice.
No! No! Honestly.
What's this, Teddy? Oh, no. Right. There. There we go, Teddy. Right. Ooh. Oh, dear.
Oh! Ow! Oh, dear. Oh, dear.
Sorry, Teddy. I need some sleep. Oh, no!
Oh, dear.
Oh, what have we here? Oh. What? Oh. Oh. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right. Let me see. Ah. No, that's yours. Beep boop. Nice. Oh. Ow. Ah. Ow. No. Ah. Come on, Teddy. Oh, look, Teddy. Oh, now it's ridiculous. Oh, hello. I'm just looking. Oh, look at this. Ooh. 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 Oh. Oh. Oh, thank you. I don't think it's for me. Oh, look at this. Hello.
Oh. Aha!
Oh, one of these. Ooh, ooh. Oh. 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 I don't think so. Oh. Right. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. Oh. 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 Hmm. Oh, hello.
Do you like it?
Yes. I'll take it. What? How much? You must be joking.
Ah, right.
What? Get off! Get off! But I can find my own way out, thank you. Madam, I wouldn't. Look.
Oh!
But there's one that could be perfect for you, madam. Follow me. There you go. Ugh.
Oh, yes, super.
Oh.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
This is the one for me.
Oh, thank you.
Can I show you something else, madam?
Oh, ow.
How are you doing yourself? Oh, look at this. Oh, would Sir like to try this? Okay. Right. Well, I should be getting home.
Just a moment.
What do you want? Where are you taking me? No, but I can't afford it.
Today's very special offer.
In that case, I'll take it. Oh, thank you. Ha ha! Hang on tight, Teddy. Night, night, Teddy. There we are. Excellent. Hey? What the? Ah. What? What on earth?
Out the way, Bean. Oh, it's lovely.
Do have a look around.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, yes, this'll do.
Oh.
What? Get off! Put it back!
Oh.
Then la bedroom.
Oh, I do like that. Oh,
And la toilet.
fancy. Oh,
Very nice indeed.
And him.
oh,
And
Oh, my goodness me.
now.
oh, yes, this'll do. It's so luxurious, isn't it? Not you. Oh,
Oh. Oh. I wonder. Excellent. Oh. Good. Perfect. Oh. There we are. You come with me. Well, what do you think, Teddy? There we are. The bedroom. Pretty comfy. Plenty of food. Oh. Oh, that's not very good. Oh, just the thing. There we are. And of course, the shower. Oh. There we go. Off we go. Huh? Oh, lovely. What the? Maybe not. Very good. Could you move out of the way, please? Oh,
Excuse me.
sorry.
I'd like you to move out of the way, please.
Oh.
Oh.
Turn it up. I can't hear it. A cup of tea would be nice.
Coming up. There you go. Thanks.
Hey.
Oh, wrestling.
Oh, lovely.
Very nice. Okay. Oh, not again. Aha.
That's gotta hurt. He's not doing the sandbag.
All right. There we go. Right. Oh dear.
Carry on. What's happened?
What did it? Oh no.
I'm stuck.
Oh no. Mrs Wicket.
Bean?
What the?
Save us. Come on, Bean.
All right. Yes.
Hurry up.
Coming. Here. Cat. Oh no.
Help us.
Hang on there. Hang on.
Do something.
I am doing something. Here we go. Oh, my goodness. Well done.
Hang it on. What are you doing? Bean!
Come and dry off. Oof. Goodness me.
Hang on. Is this my shed? Bean!
Come on, Teddy. Holiday over.
Bean!